Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable crossplay on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find all of your installed games. You can also see your collection and also your PlayStation Plus games and apps. So right now I'm gonna go back, and if you go here to the top, you're gonna find the search option. Here you're gonna find settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and the logout option. So we're gonna go back to profile, and then once you're here, just go here to the right. You're gonna find online status, share profile, edit profile, and here you're gonna find privacy settings. Go ahead and click on privacy settings, and then once you're here, you're gonna find all of these options right here. So here you're gonna find who can see them is the search results, you can see them within games, you can see them as friend suggestions, and so on. So just go ahead and scroll down until you find here under communication and multiplayer, you're gonna find get crossplay game invitations. Allowing crossplay invitations lets you receive game invites from players outside of PlayStation Network. So go ahead and click right here and make sure you click on allow to allow crossplay on your device. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.